Welcome to AlphaCars and Ural Motorcycle Service Bay. We are doing a pretty amazing setup for this 2023 gear up. And there are a lot of things, as you can see, going on this bike. I'm sure we'll do the final video, but there is one situation we ran into, and that is if you are installing two fuel canisters symmetrically, like this customer wants to have on his bike, you're gonna run into this one little issue, which is really not a big deal. But here is the strap for the bracket for the fuel canister. And obviously plenty of room, it works great here. Over on this side, you can see you won't be able to you won't be able to actually close this in. So what we are going to do is we are going to remove these rivets and we're gonna flip this. So the strap is gonna go on this side and the bracket is gonna go on this side, which is gonna make it possible to close that in. So we're gonna get that done and you'll see how it looks and how it works. So we completed the installation of the fuel canisters here. You can see the right side. We switched the location of the brackets. So we moved that over. So now we're not limited by the tail light. It's plenty of room to put it on and off. And this one, it just comes that way right from the factory. So you can see it's all good.
And I want to thank Dimitri for showing us this process. I do want to add, if you want to mount your fuel canister on the right side, we actually sell these on our e-store, and we have an option where we reverse the bracket for you before we ship it, so then you'll receive it already ready to go. So check that out in the link in the top right of your screen.